Good morning, all my dear students. You're welcome to today's video presentation, Financial Accounting, the chapter Hire Purchase System. This is Suresh Babu MG from Government First Grade College, Gauri Vignor. So here I am reminding every student that please watch all the videos on a continuous basis, right? Make the notes, write it, repeat it, revise it. Don't have negligence, right? Yeah. So let me take you through today's presentation. I hope you see this particular page, right? This is a question paper analysis. What it says, the first A section, we'll just check it. Answer any 5 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, right? First question. Mention any 2 conventions of accounting. For example, there are 4 conventions. What are those conventions? Yes, the convention of materiality, right? The convention of full disclosure, correct? Convention of consistency, right? So there is one more convention. So 2 questions have been asked. Sorry, 2 points, answer 2 enough. So this is about A, correct? A. So kindly pay attention to, while explaining, I'm writing the answer as well, wherever it is possible. What is domestic branch? Domestic branch is the branch located inside any country, is known as the domestic branch. Okay. What is repossession? Repossession refers to the when hire purchaser stops making the payment of installments from the hire vendor takes back the asset which was sold under hire purchase system due to non-payment. Okay, which is known as repossession. Got it? Right? Next. So that is the reason why I'm typing the answers as well. The series, here it is changing. Earlier I was just explaining. Now see. Sales 2 lakh rupees, GP 25% on cost, calculate cost of goods sold, right? Sales 2 lakhs, right? GP is how much? 25% on cost. So sales is equal to 2 lakhs, right? Minus, that means less. That is minus. Sales is 2 lakhs. Now, minus 25% on cost means 20% on sales. So that is 1 by 4th is given. We have sales 1 by 5th. 1 by 5th is 40,000. 40,000. Okay. What is the balance? Next. If the balance is simple, how much is the balance? Balance is 1,60,000. That's it. Right. What is the next question? Next question is, mention any 2 advantages of single entry system. It is easy. Okay. So no 2 aspects of each and every transaction to be recorded. It is suitable for small business organizations. No double entry system is being followed. So these are all the advantages. Mention any 2 differences between hire purchase system and normal sales. See, in case of hire purchase system, it is an agreement in between hire purchaser and hire vendor. Okay. Goods are transferred from hire vendor to hire purchaser on the basis of hire purchase system. That is, hire purchaser agrees to pay the balance in down payment as well as installments. In normal sales, it is just sales, contract of sales. There is a seller and a buyer. Okay. So goods will be transferred from the seller to the buyer immediately, and ownership also transfers immediately. In hire purchase system, ownership transfers from the vendor to the purchaser only when he clears all the installments. In normal sales, ownership passes from the owner to the buyer immediately. Okay. Mention any 4 users of accounting. Okay. So bankers, government, right? Employees, shareholders, debenture holders, creditors, public, research scholar, right? Teachers. Okay. So even outsiders, insiders, stakeholders. Yes, you can write a number. So this is the answer. Okay. Next, come here. What is this? So prepare an accounting equation from the following transactions. Commence business with cash is 60,000. Okay. So what is the answer? You should be writing. So here, liabilities less capital is equal to assets, right? So first transaction. So I say I'm not writing in detail. You need to write the first transaction, right? Liabilities 0, correct? Plus capital, how much? 60,000 is equal to asset side cash, correct? How much? 60,000. So after first transaction, the total on both the sides is 60,000 and 60,000. You write it neatly, right? So on liability side capital 60,000, on asset side cash 60,000. Then Purchased office equipment for cash 10,000 rupees. So liabilities remains as it is, 0. There is no effect, right? Capital remains same after second transaction. There is no effect. Okay. Then what changes on asset side? There is cash, how much? 60,000. Now you will have cash. How much? 50,000 below that. Then you will have one more asset. What is that asset? Office equipment. Office equipment. How much? 10,000. Now the total check. Total on both the sides after this transaction. So 0, right? Plus, sorry, 0 plus 60,000 is equal to, okay, even here also 60,000. On asset side and liabilities side, the same total, correct? Next. Okay, scroll down the page. Now, which transaction? Transaction number 3. So this one minute. Yeah. See, I'm not writing properly, you write properly. So what is the third transaction? Purchase goods on credit from Sandhya, 40,000 rupees. Sandhya means, so on liabilities side, creditors, how much? 40,000 plus, sorry, plus capital, how much? 60,000 remains is equal to, on asset side, how much cash you have? Cash doesn't change, 50,000. Correct. Comma I will write. Right? Because assets. There is one more asset. Office equipment. Equipment. How much? Office equipment, 10,000. Correct? Plus, there is one more asset. What is that? Goods you are purchasing from Sandhya on credit, right? Satya, right? How much? 40,000. Stock. So stock, 40,000. Now see how much? On liabilities and capital 1 lakh, correct? On asset side also you are getting 1 lakh, isn't it? So that I am not writing, you people have to write it. Okay, asset side 1 lakh, liability side 1 lakh. Next, sold goods on credit to Ajay, 18,000 rupees. You are selling goods on credit. So these two remains same, right? As it is, no change at all. Copy and paste. Paste. Okay. And here, what changes after this transaction? Change. So cash remains same. I will write it as it is, and alterations only I'll record it. That would become easy for you to understand. Now see, paste it. So what is the transaction? Sold goods on credit to Ajay. So stock, how much you had? 40,000. 40,000 minus 18,000, but stock becomes 22,000. Okay, comma. Ajay is a debtor, correct? Debtors. How much debtors? Debtors, 18,000. Okay. Now, on asset side and liabilities plus capital, 1 lakh only. Then fifth one. Understood? Paid expenses, 10,000 rupees. What I will do, I'll copy this. Okay. Sorry. I have done mistake. One. Okay. So this I have copied and pasted it. Now see, what is the transaction? The transaction is paid expenses 10,000. So here, after making the payment, capital becomes 50,000. Okay. This 10,000 will be reduced from cash. Cash was how much? 50. Now it becomes 40,000. So now liabilities plus capital 90,000. Asset side total also 90,000. That's it. Okay. Understood? Yeah. If you have not understood, please send me the mail, right? Feedback. Now see. Sixth question is a homework question. Okay. This is homework. You need to solve this homework. Just I will discuss 1 minute. We'll be answering this and take the scan the answer and send it to A. Purchase an equipment from B on 1/4/2016, whose cash price was 8,60,000. 1,40,000 was payable down payment, and the balance towards cash price was payable in 3 equal installments, along with an interest of 10% per annum, along with, right? So remember, very, very important on the outstanding balance of cash price. A charges depreciation at 10% per annum on the equipment under reducing balance method. Prepare necessary ledger accounts. Okay. So what I would prepare, just calculation of interest. Okay. Let me prepare this. So calculation of interest. Listen. What is the cash price? Cash price 8 lakh. Correct. 60,000 minus. Right. How much down payment? 1,40,000. Correct. Okay. How much is balancing figure? Balancing figure. $8,60,000 minus 1,40,000. So 7,20,000. Correct. 7,20,000. Now what do they say? 3 equal annual installments. 3 equal annual installments means 2,40,000. Okay, each installment. I'll write here 7,20,000 divided by 3. Sorry, divided by 3 is equal to how much you are getting. Each installment is 2,40,000 plus, what is that? 10% per annum is the interest. 10% interest on what? Outstanding balance. Isn't it? Then first installment is 2,40,000 plus interest. Second installment 2,40,000 plus interest. Third installment 2,40,000 plus interest. Isn't it? So this you have understood. Okay. So now I will write here, not vertically, horizontally I will show. So you have to calculate vertically. Now understood? Half of the sum I have explained. That means this is what? Exclusive of interest method. What is method? Exclusive of interest method. So first year, see, 7,20,000, 10% means 72,000 interest. How much? First year interest 72,000. Okay. Then the second year interest, 48,000. Third year interest, 24,000. If you calculate, you would get the same, right? Then after preparing this, there is depreciation 10%. Okay, reducing balance method. So you prepare on cash price. Okay. Then calculation of cash price is not required. Then prepare ledger account. That is a homework, right? Yeah. Look, listen properly. Why I am giving you the homework. Do it, learn it quickly. So respond it. Everybody I require to send me the feedback. In the feedback, the last question, homework question, take the snap, right? Not the snap, not the picture, but ensure you're scanning the answer and sending it to me. Okay. Don't think that since internal assessment marks have been uploaded and you have done it, so you could not do and you could not respond. No, those who are not responding till you get the certificate at any point in time, we have the freedom, okay, to alter, right? So it's not the warning, it is a signal to all of you. So thank you, one and all.